What's up, everybody? Phil back again, replicas of the past. I got a 1/43 scale Greenlight truck here. Kings of Crunch, 1972 Chevy Rocket monster truck. This is the box. These are standard, pretty standard boxes for Greenlight, but still pretty darn cool nonetheless. And they're maybe 15 bucks to 20 bucks depending on where you look and what you're looking for, but they've got like special editions and stuff, but really they're not that bad. Alright, we'll move on to the start of the show, the 1/43 scale Greenlight Kings of Crunch Rocket monster truck. Right, y'all, I'm back. Here it is, the 1/43 scale Greenlight Kings of Crunch 1972 Chevy Rocket monster truck. On here it says Rocket was a Chevrolet C10 monster truck owned by Seth Dalton out of Santa Ynez, California. It was formerly AM/PM Rocket. The truck ran from 1993 through 1998 and became Goliath. Oh, okay, so it went on to become a different monster truck. That's kind of cool. I'll link up this information in the description on it as well. Now these are bigger than the 1/64. I'll probably do a couple different comparisons here with it. Let's take a quick look at it. Got Chevrolet across the back there with some triple striping, orange, red, and blue around the back at the tailgate and onto the body here, of course, where it does say AM/PM Rocket. Goodyear on the tires too. There's lights and on the roll bar and on top of the cab there. Pretty good. Front grille, bumper, imitation winch there. There's the front end, and there's the rear end. Looks pretty good. Tires, wheels are white. Tires are big, fat, and rubber. Monster truck tires. Looks pretty good. They are rubber. Yes, they're rubber. Hard, but they're rubber. There's the underneath the truck. Pretty neat. That silver with that triple stripe tone is pretty cool. Of course, this is a 70s truck, so let's move on to some quick comparisons here. Okay, here's my 1/64 Bigfoot Greenlight monster truck. You can see the big size difference here in them as it comes around here, especially. There is a dramatic difference in my thought myself as far as sizing goes. And here's a 1/24 scale beside a 1/43 scale. That's the bone shaker right there. Quite a difference there too between the 1/43 up to the 24th scale. Pretty neat little truck. I've got a few more of these 1/43 scales, and I'll probably start looking for some more here soon. I think they're pretty cool. Alright, everyone, I'll close out this here video. I want to thank everyone who tunes in. This is Phil for Replicas of the Past. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon.